The Kimera EVO38, a marvel of modern engineering and high-performance automotive design. Join us as we explore the intricate details, craftsmanship, and technical specifications that make the EVO38 a true standout in the world of high-performance vehicles. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Kimera EVO38 lies the EVO38 engine. This engine is positioned in the middle rear longitudinal layout, featuring a 4-cylinder inline configuration. The engine boasts a displacement of 2,150 cubic centimeters, with a bore and stroke of 85 by 95 millimeters. The power supply is managed by an electronic port fuel injection system. One of the standout features of the EVO38's engine is its dual supercharging system. It combines a centrifugal turbocharger with a Roots-type volumetric compressor, equipped with an electronically managed electro-clutch. This combination ensures that the engine delivers an impressive maximum power of 600 CV at 7,000 to 7,500 RPM and a maximum torque of 580 Newton meters, with 400 Newton meters available at just 2,000 RPM. The compression ratio is set at 7.5, optimizing performance and efficiency. Features an integral 4-wheel drive system, providing exceptional traction and stability. The 6-speed manual transmission offers precise and responsive gear changes, allowing the driver to fully exploit the engine's power. The clutch is a 184mm diameter dry twin plate with hydraulic pedal control. Rear differential, integrated in the gearbox with self-locking ramps. Front differential, plate and ramps self-locking. Opt for Torsen type, integrated 4-wheel drive unit. Brakes front, self-ventilated discs with 4 pumps, 365 millimeters. Rear brakes, self-ventilating 4 pumping discs, 365 millimeters. Front tires, 245/35R18. Rear tires, 295/30R19.